my channel. Hope you all are safe and doing great. So today I am gonna review the Alps Goodness Almond Hair Oil. Before going to the main video, I just wanna share with you the goodness of almond for your hair. You know guys, almond oil is rich in vitamin B7, which is also known as biotin. It helps to keep your hair strong and healthy. Almond oil also helps to protect your hair from sun damage, make your hair soft and reduce split ends. Okay, let's talk about this hair oil. This is Alps Goodness Almond Hair Oil enriched with vitamin E. Ingredients of this hair oil is sunflower seed oil, coconut oil, vitamin E and sweet almond oil. And it contains no mineral oil. This hair oil strengthens hair follicles, nourishes hair and scalp, makes your hair strong and healthy. Price of this hair oil is 70 rupees for 100 ml of product. Fragrance of this hair oil is very light fragrance. And texture of this hair oil is very light. Okay, now I am going to apply this hair oil. Take required amount of this hair oil and gently massage on your scalp and hair length. And leave it overnight for best result. Okay guys, my hair oiling is done and I just make a bun. You can see. I'll leave it for overnight. I will come back after washing. Till then, stay tuned. Hey guys, one thing I forgot to tell you, that this hair oil is a non-sticky hair oil. And after applying this hair oil, I feel my hair is extremely soft. So from my personal experience, I want to say that this hair oil is best for dry hair. So if you have dry and frizzy hair problem, please try it once. Okay guys, you can see my hair is completely dry right now. So after washing my hair, I just feel like extremely soft and shiny. And this hair oil also reduces my frizziness. You can see. You guys can see my hair. So overall this hair oil is very good at this price. Teenagers also can purchase this hair oil from their pocket money. So if you're looking for a hair oil in affordable price, then please go for it. This is the best hair oil at this price. One thing guys, for wash my hair, I use this one shampoo. This is Wow Apple Cider Vinegar Shampoo. I will share with you review of this product in my next video. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye.